Hi beauty buddies, I'm Raylin from RaylinNYC.com, and I'm here to help you be the best version of yourself that you can be and to own your voice. Before we get started, I'm going to have some coffee. As you know, I absolutely love keto and vegan style. So what I'm going to teach you today, which I've been getting several questions about, and I figured I would make a video on it because I'm so excited about it. And I would like this to be more of a question and answer comment type thing. So if you're joining during the live, hello, please answer and comment yes below if you are ready to learn about the top 5 strategies to get over 50,000 subscribers organically on Instagram and my 5 tips on that. Or if you're meaning for the rebroadcast, please comment yes as well, as I would like to be making this a series because I have several tips. So welcome to everyone. First of all, I wanted to set a little bit of a disclaimer. Instagram has a new algorithm. As you've probably noticed, you probably have not been getting as much engagement as usual for the 2018 to 2019 year. However, you can still make an impact, you can still have it grow, and it can still be very useful for you. So let's get started, and I'm just going to put my Instagram in the comments below. And for those of you who are joining on the rebroadcast, it's at Raylin_NYC. So let's move into the top 5 tips. The first one is a pretty simple one, but it goes overlooked a lot, and there's a lot of different targets for this. So the first one is content. You need content. And it needs to be valuable. It needs to be specific, something that whoever you want to attract, whoever your audience is, that's what they're going to see. So what would they like to see? What would they get to see? Make sure that your content is very valuable. I would suggest every 3 hours, now I know that sounds like a lot, but every 3 hours to have very nice, highly edited, and very message-worthy or motivational quotes in there, and posts. I would post 3 to 5 times daily. Now again, I know that this sounds like a lot, but it's a good way to keep engagement going. Everyone will know that you are looking forward to the next post, and they'll be excited as well. Now the second one is to comment. Comment with like-minded people who you think would love all of your posts, would love your Instagram account. I'm sure you put a lot of effort into either your personal Instagram account, whether you're branding, having a business, making it personal, whatever it is. Make sure that you reach out first and you comment and you give them value as well. There is nothing better than giving a positive comment. It just really warms your heart and makes you feel so good, and you get to enjoy that feeling. And then that person goes back and looks on your Instagram page, and if they like what they see, it could turn into a collaboration. I've had many of that happen so far. I've had over 10 Instagram followers become collaborators with me. Now, I do have over 80,000 Instagram followers, but this will definitely help at least double your Instagram followers. Just as a disclaimer, I wanted to let you know that it's not all about followers. It's about the engagement and actually loving these people and actually realizing that there's a person on the other side of this who wants to improve themselves, who wants to be successful. Like I'm talking to you right now and I'm trying to give you valuable information. Do the same thing with your Instagram followers. Send them information, make it valuable, make it something that they can hold on to that will very deeply emote and relate with them, because that's what we're trying to do. And before I go any further, Beauty Body LLC is finally creating its new fall arrivals. So we have some leggings, we have some sweatshirts, some hoodies. I am so excited because the fall collection is finally here and I'm so happy about it. Stay tuned until the end of this, and this is for the live and the rebroadcast as well. And listen for what you need to comment down below to win one of the sweatshirts of the Beauty Body LLC fall collection. This is Everybody is Beautiful. It's very good merchandise, very high quality, and good for the environment. And we're so excited that you are a part of this. And we are just a startup in NYC right now, but we are on a mission to create body positivity for everyone. So it's a lot of help. Now, tip number 3, let me check my notes. Okay, is hashtags. Please, please, please do not go crazy with hashtags. There's a method to my madness, I promise. So create 7 to 9 hashtags in the description. It has to be in the description because anything that's underneath, if you have them in your engagement, they will not count. Instagram does not count those. And I know that's crazy. And I know you've probably been using them underneath, but they don't count them anymore. That's part of the algorithm for 2018. So don't do that. Just do it in the description and use 7 to 9. Otherwise, statistics have shown, that is a mouthful. Statistics have shown that 7 to 9 hashtags are your best bet for getting the best engagement. Otherwise, people think it's spammy or it's selly. And you want to be real. You want to be truthful because you're really going for someone who's honest and you're trying to create a relationship with that person and not just a sales gimmick. So make sure that it's 7 to 9. Also, they need to be specific. So instead of saying hashtag red, no one's going to look at that. So if you have a motivational quote up there, I would suggest some hashtags such as whoever the author of the motivational quote is. That would be perfect because people are searching for that. The hashtags are there so you can get a specific directed audience. So if you have a motivational quote that says a different mantra, instead of just putting hashtag mantra, put what it actually is and make it very specific to that actual quote. You will get a lot more engagement and it will be a lot better for your followers. Now, tip number 4 is, let's see. Oh, yes. So lives and stories. If you are not doing this right now, start. Stories are so much fun and they're great. You can do them anytime and people love to see what you're up to. If you think you have a boring life, you don't. You do not. You are amazing and you can make something out of your life and your life is not boring. So right now, I want you to comment down below, again, if this is the live or the broadcast, if you want to comment down below what you do, let me know. I would love to hear from you if there are any boss babes in the house, if there are any entrepreneurs. I'd love to hear from every single one of you. And just let me know so we can connect and possibly collaborate. I would absolutely love that. I love sharing ideas and ideas for everything. So the live stories are only posted for 24 hours. What the lives mean is that the people who are following you, if you have a live story, it is first. It just goes first in Instagram. If you have a story, it goes second. The people on Instagram who don't have lives and don't have stories come third. So usually their content isn't seen. So in order to growth hack, you need to constantly have a live that is available for 24 hours. And you need to also have a story, because that levels you up. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. Sorry, I just went into Sierra mode. So that will definitely help with leveling up and growth hacking your Instagram to more followers. Now, if you have a little bit of trouble doing this, what I suggest is to just do a live about how you're feeling, or do a question and answer, because people love hearing about other people's lives, and you get to connect with your audience and connect with your tribe. So it's really exciting, and it's really something that you should be doing. Now, tip number 5, let me check my notes again. Yes, tip number 5 is to collaborate. Collaborate with others. I have collaborated with over 10 people so far on Instagram, and I didn't even know them. Some have been international, some have been from Sweden, one has been from Australia, and it's completely crazy. I had such a great time, and we were collaborating with music. It was so wonderful. So when you collaborate, I would suggest either lives or giving them a shout out, doing a post, or even creating a full video with them, which I can give you some more details on that if you DM me. Now, for collaboration, what I suggest is a shout out to start, and then if you create good rapport with that person, to go ahead and just keep on creating with them and keep on building that rapport until you get to a video and can actually either meet that person or collaborate with them, sending different information and different videos, so you can have someone to interview, because it's always fun to interview someone, and if you're very interested in what they do, then they're probably interested in what you do. Now, when you collaborate with that person, once you tag them, once they tag you, it becomes amazing, because Instagram notices, and the followers on the other person's account will see your account as well. So it's a double whammy for both of you. You're not in competition, you are both rising and raising each other up. Now, so that was the 5 tips. I do have one more tip, because I love giving you bonuses and I love helping all of you. So my bonus tip for all of the lives and all of the rebroadcast is automation. Now, automation is fantastic and I love it. It will help you. You can be at school or at work or at the beach. I know that it's fall right now, but I really wish I was at the beach. So automation really helps with Instagram. If you have Hootsuite, or there are several apps to help you with this, and please comment below if you would like more information on that. But if you get to know about that, then it really helps you. What you do is just set aside one day. Usually I do it the first day of the month, and you just completely automate all of your posts and everything that you're going to say. So for the next 30 days, if you have 3 posts that you want to post a day, just schedule them. Schedule them on Hootsuite or on any of the apps that you find for automation, and you should be good to go. And then you don't have to worry about it. All you have to worry about are the lives and the stories. So that's one power tip, and that's one bonus tip. Now for the additional prize for those of you on the live and the rebroadcast. It is going to be up on my website, and what I would like you to do is comment below fall. Just comment below fall in all caps, and you will enter to win a sweatshirt from Body LLC, which is the new startup company I have in New York. I am looking for ambassadors, so if you know anyone, please let me know, or if you would like to be an ambassador as well, lots of discounts, lots of gifts, and you get to be a part of my Patreon page as well, which is a nice little thing. So you will get to be in the drawing for that if you put down fall in all capitals down below and just comment down below. I would love to hear from you, and I would love to hear all of the comments that you have. Please, please, please like, share, and subscribe down below. I'm going to put all of the information for the description down below. And now that you know the top 5 tips for getting over 50,000 followers on Instagram while growing organically, you can sleep well at night. I'm just kidding. I would like to know if you would like me to make this a series or not. And also if you have any other questions for me. I love hearing your questions. And thank you to all of those people who were asking me this question as well. It's a very valid question and a very good question as well. So I love all of you. Again, I'm Raylin from RaylinNYC.com. And please like, share, and subscribe. Bye, beauty buddies.